Okay guys, welcome back. Alright, so here's where I've managed to get with this door. I've done both sides of the door panel. I've gotten this, I've done both sides of this, all of this. I didn't do the top or this side here. Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content.
Hey guys, all right, we need your help. So we are very close to 3,000 subscribers. We're averaging about 100,000 views a week, and we've got about 2,800 subscribers. So if you guys could hit the subscribe button for us, we would greatly appreciate it, and it would really help us in moving these projects along and our channel. So if you could do that for us, we'd greatly appreciate it. Thank you, and on to the video. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Happy Sunday. It's June 29th, and we are back on our 1958 Chevy Apache again for another round on the interior and on the cab. So our whole goal in life here is to get this cab ready for primer, all the old paint off of it, all that kind of thing. By the time Big Ron gets back from Alaska, right around I think July 9th, 10th, something like that. And I think we're in a good place. Yesterday was very, very, very good for us. We got the back panel taken down to bare metal, which would be this one here on the that guy there on the inside, and then pour 15'd, and then we got up under the dash, the back side of the dash, the firewall, the floor finished, pour 15'd, and also this area here, I don't know, there, we also got that welded up and ground down. It's not finished ground yet, but it's finished welded. Now it's just a matter of dialing it in a little better. But we're getting somewhere. So today, this is what we're gonna be working on. We got brown doors. We don't want brown doors. So what we're gonna do is take our Bauer surface conditioning tool, and we're gonna take that down to bare metal. Door jamb, everything. We're gonna hit the door jamb. We're gonna dial in this right here. Okay, that's what we're doing. And if we have time, we'll jump to the other side, which is already taken down to bare metal, like 85, 90%. What we really are looking at over there is basically from here up, right? So, not a huge deal, but still a deal, and still needs to be done. So that's what we're gonna do. We're hoping, I'm hoping, I say we, it's really just me. I'm hoping to get this done today so that tomorrow I'm running around the cab trying to get any crack, any little resemblance of paint or primer or anything off of this, as much as I can off the body. And then the following day be doing the firewall and the window opening for the windshield. There's a lot of work there, and up in that cowl, and trying to get that pour 15. So lots to do, but not impossible. And we do have the right tools for the job, which is great. That's helpful. And I think we just get to it. So I'm gonna stop talking and start working, and get everything set up here. And I'll bring you guys back, and we'll start ripping some paint off of this thing, and see how far we can get. Stay tuned.
Okay guys, welcome back. Alright, so here's where I've managed to get with this door. I've done both sides of the door panel. I've gotten this, I've done both sides of this, all of this. I didn't do the top or this side here because we're going to pull this door off anyway. It'll just be way easier to do with the door off. But I did get up through here, all the way through, up. I think this door's looking really good. Dash is looking really good. I still have to jump over there and get that side. We have had a series of storms here over the last 2 days. This has taken me 2 days to get this far. And I apologize for that, but it just kind of is what it is at the moment. So apparently we've got some kind of tropical system out there that's probably going to hit between now and the 4th of July, and so on and so on. So lots of work here. It's hard to do. I cannot do the grinding and stuff on this with this in the garage. And I unfortunately have the top off and nobody here to help me lift the top back on. So I have no way to seal this up. So if I bring this outside, it's gotta be somewhat dry, right? So now I did do some work to this. Some of you guys might have seen the short. Yesterday, right in the middle of me working on that door, it started pouring, so I had to pull this in, and it rained all night long. But I wanted to get something done, so I went ahead and pulled the steering wheel off and the hub, and I put the new steering column bushing in. And so now mind you, this is not bolted down all the way, the column, but we don't have that crazy, you know, play in the steering column anymore. So new steering column bushing is in. So we are down to the T-fitting for the air shocks, the new steering box, speedometer cable. Mess with the alignment a little bit, and a brake light bulb, and then detail. That's kind of where we're at. So really happy with this. It's really just, I can't stress this enough, guys, the weather's a real thing. So I'm trying. I am trying. If I had a shop, like a real shop, and I could just go and I didn't have to worry about the weather, and I could just, you know, I would make a lot more progress. But unfortunately, this is what it is, and, you know, we're dealing with what we're dealing with, right? So, anywho's, this is where we're at. And tomorrow, I'm going to pull this back out, barring weather, and I'll finish up this door and that door jamb over there and the outside of that door and dial that in, and I'll also hit this door jamb here, clean this up a little more. And then really, you know, if you look at this, we've got the other dash pieces laying here, but if you look at this from over here, it's not looking too shabby over there. It's starting to look like a ready for primer 58 Chevy Apache. So really happy where we're at there. Just got to keep on keeping on and protect this thing. We don't want to lose it. This still looks amazing. That's looking good. I mean, everything's right where I want it to be. We're on pace, believe it or not. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna leave you with that. We do have our merch, our website, and our merchandise available at our website, www.brownsrodandcustom.com. If you're looking for Volkswagen Thing, Mazda Miata, Browns Riding Custom gear, everything from shirts to cups to all kinds of stuff, stickers and buttons, and my wife's had a field day making stuff. So there's all kinds of things on there. Check it out and pick something up if you want. If you guys want to support us, that'd be a great way to do it. And I'm gonna go take a shower. Call it a night, guys. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate all of you and all the support. And guys, we'll see you in the morning for more 1958 Chevy Apache.